No, it's videotaping her. Hold on. Okay, here we go. It's getting smarter. Oh, ouch.
You're gonna disconnect my phone. Hey, look, I got all three cats in one frame. Vivi, Saya, and Flightingale.
Go on, get it.
Flightingale in the middle. Ain't that just a perfect little picture?
I want to get her a Disney that I did a little while ago when she fell on the floor.
Newt wants out.
Yeah, because you know that I'm playing with this toy with him. He broke the toy the last time. I'm going to get playing again, Disney now. Oh, we got Ruby in it.
There we go. That's a first in a long time. Holy cow, we got BB plane. We got the Battle Bitch plane.
Yeah, I think we're going to have to go get a couple of these.
I got all three of them in that screen that time.
Oh, here comes Sassy.
They make sure there's only three in the photo at once. Have you realized that? One will go, one will come.
Don't. I hit all of them.
Oh, now there's four in the picture. Go, baby, get it. Got three kittens and Battle Bitch.
Flying yelled after the stick itself. She goes, come down here closer. Come down and stop that thing.
Someone's watching. Sorry, I had it on BB for a minute. I was like, someone's watching.
I gotta get Sassy on it. Took her a minute to figure out, oh, that's what I was supposed to do. Chase the damn thing. Speedy Gonzalez. That's what Dad should name you. I'm Speedy Gonzalez. I do circles around Flighting Gale.
Hey, now we're not trying to tassel the cats now.
I think it was working. I think Flighting Gale got a little dizzy that time. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, that's probably your brother.
Alright, so end it.
Yep, go ahead and end it.